Ownice T-Box Tutorial Settings Instruction. Configuring Internet. Tap Tesla icon to go to T-Box link page. Go to Settings page. Fill in your hotspot name here. You can find out the name in Settings General. A simple name is good. Fill in the password of your hotspot here. It can be found in Settings Personal Hotspot. Click OK after filling up the info. And turn on the hotspot. Make sure to turn on maximum compatibility. Go back to the link page and look close to the network icon. You'll find the network status icon turn green. That means Tesla is connected to Internet. More settings. Driver pause is meant for left, right-hand drive. If switched to R, the shortcut column changes to the other side. Compact mode is for those earlier version Tesla models. In this mode, the resolution is reduced to increase the speed. For language options: English, Korean, traditional and simplified Chinese. And here shows the firmware version of T-Box. OTA update. Before updating, you need to connect CarPlay. Open Safari browser on your iPhone. Enter 3.3.3.3 and tap Go. On this page, click the green button to check for updates. It'll take about 1 minute. Do not power off T-Box during the process. When update finished, wait about 1 minute, and then refresh Tesla browser to resume connection.
Oh, nice!